Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way.
Hey you guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by this hat that I seen on Pinterest. I went to the creator's Instagram page and found out that her custom hats are running $600 and up. And I was like, oh no. Absolutely not. I'm not saying that the hat's not worth the $600, but I thought it was cool enough for me to start working on it at 4 a.m. Let's make something that I seen on Pinterest. This DIY is going to be very simple. I'm just going to start off with a plain snapback hat. I bought the hat for $6. And to make the really cool gold lace backing, I am going to use Panties. Yeah, each one of my panties were $1.20, and I'm only going to be using 3 of the gold ones for this project. I was indecisive about what color I wanted to use as my hat tail, so I ended up buying a couple black ones and some gold ones, and I would figure it out once I got home that I was going to be just using the gold ones. For this project, all you really need is just a hat and lace. Since I'm not using straight lace, I have to go through extra steps to make it a nice sizable piece to use for my hat. So what I have to do to make these 3 panties a sizable piece would be to lay it down flat, cut open the back seam, lay it out flat, and then cut the crotch area out and sew it down so that it lays flat. And that's what it is that I'm going to be doing here. Now that I have all 3 of my pieces cut open, I'm going to sew a line here to make sure that it stays down flat and even, and then I'm going to sew all 3 of them together. Once all 3 of my pieces are sewn together, I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue gun to glue it to the inside of my hat for a non-permanent adventure. My lace was pretty long, so I'm going to hot glue it to the middle of my hat and let it drape down the back. And after seeing where it drapes in the back, I am going to add a couple more reinforcement glue dots in the back to keep it straight down instead of bunching up.
If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast.
Now that my tail is on, I realized I need some extra gold somewhere in the front. So I bought this bracelet, and it has a couple chains, like 3-4 chains on it. So I'm going to separate all the chains from itself and take off all the little charms that are on it. And since I don't want this DIY to be permanent, I'm going to continue to use my hot glue gun. And I'm going to take my big chain and I'm going to put it around the brim of my hat. And I'm going to take the little chains and go around the A on my hat. Once I got my chains on in the places exactly where I wanted them, my hat was complete, and this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it, and I'm even more excited that it even actually matched my outfit perfectly. I do want to know what you guys think. Should I have glued all the little charms around on the hat to complete the look some more, or do you like it plain the way it is? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around